Hello everybody, let's glue book and my magazine only glue book. And what that means is, we did this one the last time, this is especially for beginners who have just minimal supplies, who just want to get started. They want to this is a harvest and a glue book session all in one. We're gonna, like I said, if you just have a magazine and a notebook and you want to get started, this is for you. And you want to just get started glue booking. So and you don't have pattern paper and all other things that I have, stickers and all that kind of things in ephemera, this is for you. Okay, all right, I'm going to be in this quilting magazine, and this is from 2015, December 2015. I'm going to finish the other magazine, but I don't know where it is right now. So I have my scissors. It's in front. Ugh. I have my scissors and my magazine. Oh, I was sitting there talking and the camera wasn't even on. Y'all, ugh. You know, we go through a lot. Contact orientators go through a lot. The camera was not even on. I'm wondering from the last time that I charged it. I'm sure I did. I think I did. I'm almost sure I did. Now I'm not so sure. It may cut off. like to thank you all for watching. I think I'm pretty much done right now. Mojo have left the building. And I don't think I'm going to fill it in. I'm going to leave white space this time. I think I'm done. I'd like to thank you so very much for watching. If you haven't yet, consider subscribing, leave a comment. Put the scissor emojis for the cut. That this was easy cut, easy go. Alright, I'll talk to you soon. Bye.